This is another community that I'm going to introduce you to in the Skool platform, on Skool platform, that you can gain benefit and gain knowledge from in terms of with AI related tools and resources. Okay, so it is called ASMR Spread Lab. Okay, so let me walk you through what they are about. So ASMR Spread Labs, they've got so far 1,100 members, and it's the creator is called Connor, and he said, I started posting AI ASMR with no audience, no insider access, and no guru hacks, just consistency, brutal testing, and pattern recognition. In under 6 months, that turned into 200,000 members plus on Instagram and 500 million views. I documented everything that worked. Free members get free prompt packs and community access. So as I said, this is another free community that you can join, and you get access to all of these tools and free resources that he's mentioning. He's mentioned, but obviously he's got his premium products as well. So you got premium and VIP options are available, but you also get free stuff in the community. So if you're on your journey in the online space, these are some of the communities, Skool communities that you can plug into to get access. Some tools are free, some tools you'll have to pay for because not everything is free. You'll have to pay for some things as well to invest in your own knowledge as you go along and upgrade yourself and improve yourself in your journey and in the online space. This is just passive income. You'll still need to post, engage, and stay consistent. If you want hype or shortcut, this isn't it. If you want real system, real proof, and real leverage income, then you can join this community to learn more. I'm going to walk you through its classroom so you can see some of the things that you'll benefit from. So this is the start here button where you can access freebies and navigate the classroom. You've got AI ASMR creator system, and this is for $27. This is one of his premium products. Then you've got also another premium product when you upgrade, or you can unlock this. This is called Trial Real Mastery. You can unlock this for $27. And then you've got another premium product, Premium Hub. This is a private course. Then you've got another product. It's called May. Get access to this month's videos. So it's this month's videos, all this month's videos that you can get access to for a premium price. He's got his freebie here that you can jump on the freebie. So there's no lock on this one. So this is free. So you can jump on his freebies there. And if you like any of his premium products, then you can jump on those as well. You've got prompt banked. So you've got the prompt bank that you can jump on and use the same prompts that he's used to gain all those followers on Instagram and those views. But obviously it's a premium course, so you'll have to pay for that. The vault gets locked when you're a VIP. So you can unlock the VIP vault when you become a paid member. It contains all the VIP material, over 1,800 done for you videos, AI videos. You've got your lifetime membership, which you can access for $297. Get access to all other products. Get access to all other products completely for free once you unlock the lifetime membership. Then you've got here ready to post and upload. That's for $49. That's 500 plus done for you videos that are ready for you to post. You can post them on your socials. These are videos that you can view and download. This is for $25. And AI Mastery. So you've got this one you can access for free. As you can see, AI Mastery sneak peek. So you can access that to see what his paid premium course looks like. You've got Rebel ASMR. So this is free as well. You can access. This is free. You can access, and this is free that you can access. But these are paid ones. Pot of Gold you can access as well. Reach level 2 and you unlock that. This is a premium course, private course. You were never the problem. Most people trying to grow with AI content aren't failing because they're bad. They're failing because they don't know you were never, told how to solve the problem. So in here, it'll show you how to resolve the AI issues that you're having so that you can go viral and make money online. At level 3, that you can unlock the gold coin chest. Level 4, you can unlock the gem vault. And then at level 6, you can unlock the royal treasure chest. So how you unlock these things is that you comment on the platform, and you like and share, and you also, if there's a question that somebody asks, and if you can help them by answering that question, then you'll get points as well too, and then you move up in your level on the platform. Yeah. So he's got lots of freebies here that you can get access to and learn from, in terms of if you love AI and want to progress in the AI space. He's told you about his experience and what he did, and how many followers that he got on Instagram, and also over 500 million views on his AI content on Instagram. Okay, so these are all the different things that you can get access to when you join ASMR Spread Labs, and I'll put the link in the description below for you, so you can join this community and get access to his tools, his free tools, and also his premium tools. Okay, so that's it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.